Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to add a window media player tool in your Visual Basic Windows Form application, and I have also shown you how to load, start, stop and pause the video. In this video I will show you how to make a simple MP3 player with the help of this window media player tool. So let's get started. First of all, what I will do is I will take a list box and drag and drop into my form, and I'm going to take a button to load the list once again, and I will take open file dialog to open and select all the selected files. So I will drag and drop open file dialog into my form and it will go here. This was the open file dialog from the last video, and this is new open file dialog, which is open file dialog 2. Now I will change the name of this button as load playlist. Okay, and now what I will do is I will select my open file dialog which I am going to use, and I will go to the property, and in here I will search for the property called multi select and make this property as true. Okay, so just go to the property called multi select and make it true. Now I will just select my load playlist button and double click it, and in here I will write the code. But first of all I want to declare some global variables. So I will just go above my sub, and here I will declare two arrays. So I will write dim paths as string, and this bracket will tell this string is a array. So this is a string array I have declared, and once again I will copy this and paste it here, and instead of path I will say file name. Okay, so I have declared two string arrays, and now I will go inside my button click event and I will write if my open file dialog 2 this time dot show dialog equal to dialog result dot okay. Then what I will do is in here I will copy the path of the file and I will copy the file name of the selected paths. So what I will do is I will copy this path and paste it here, and I will say paths is equal to open file dialog 2, which is my open file dialog name, dot save file names with the last letter as s, so it's multiple files. Okay, so it's names, and same I will do for file names. It will be good when I add here s. Okay, and once again I will copy file names is equal to open file dialog 2 dot file names with the last letter s. Okay, now I will declare a for loop. So I'll write for I is equal to 0 to my file name length. But first of all I need to declare it as integer, so I will write as integer. Okay, So to my file names array dot length -1. So I will count all the file names, and then what I will do is I will add these file names to my list box. So I will copy the name of my list box, and I will write here dot items dot add, and inside the bracket I will write file names, and once again a bracket, and I will pass this I here. So what this code will do is it will load all the files inside the list box. Okay, now we'll go to this form again, and this time I will select the list box and double click my list box. So just select your list box and double click it, and it will go to the list box selected index change event. And in here I will copy the name of my window media player tool, which is AX the window media player 1, and paste it here. Dot URL is equal to paths, and in the bracket I will write list box name list box 1 dot selected index. Okay, so this is my code, and what this will do is it will play whatever song I will select from the list box. So let's see how it works. This is the whole code for the MP3 player. So first of all I want to load the playlist, so I will click this button, and let me search for the music somewhere here, and playlists, no, I don't have it here, and I have some playlist here. So I will select 3 songs from here. I can multi-select these songs because I have checked the option in the open file dialog that I can multi-select these songs, and when I click OK, it will load all the uh, songs in here. And when I click this button here, or when I click this first path, it will open the first playlist, and you will observe that nothing is happening because I think I have done a little mistake. Instead of this path should be here, and this file name should be here. So in the file name variable I'm going to take the names of the file which is given by this variable, and file name path is given by this variable. So I have exchanged these two things. So just correct this declaration, and once again I will run the program, and I will load my playlist. I can multi-select it from here, and now I can see the names of my playlist. And when I click the first song, it will play the first song. So I have muted this song, and when I select second song, it will play the second song, and when I select the third song, it will play the third song. So in this way you can make a simple MP3 player with the help of your window media player tool. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate,